the transformation actions is divided into 7 panels. Before we go into detail for every panel, let's discuss some common elements they all share. The first is the staff selector. Transformations can affect any combination of staffs. The next is the randomize button. This randomizes settings for the panel. This is a fun way to experiment. Next is the reset panel button. This clears all settings for that panel. And last is the on-off button at the far right. If you have made any changes that would affect the music, this button turns on. You can turn it off, so you don't have to reset the panel. Now let's look at each panel. The first is the transpose panel. This allows you to apply transpositions to an entire region. Also nice, is the copy button, which gives a quick way of creating chords. The next panel is rhythm. Here you can half or double the duration of all notes in the region, or set all durations to a particular value. The melodic panel allows you to retrograde, which reverses the order of all of the notes, or invert, which flips the notes melodically. For example, if the first note goes up a fifth, it will now go down a fifth. Next is random pitches. This allows you to randomize the pitches within a range of steps as set with a steps deviation control. The next is similar, except it randomizes durations with a range of minimum and maximum note values. And the last is shuffle, which randomizes the order of the notes. The next panel is shift. This allows you to slide the music forward, right, or backward, left, by any durational value. Look how easy it is to create a nice syncopation from this segment. Pitches allows you to target specific pitches for change. For example, let's change all Cs to C sharps. The next is harmony. Let's create some chords with the transpose panel, then invert them with harmony. The staff swap panel allows you to swap the contents of 2 staffs. Now let's look at the various controls at top and bottom. At the top are playback controls for tempo, volume, and start and stop play. Just below those controls is pre-roll. This shows you 2 measures before and after the region you are working with so that you can see it in context. If the region is at the start or end of the score, then only the 2 measures following or preceding the region will be shown. Next to that is the score window size, which can be small, medium or large. Finally, at the bottom are clear, which clears all panels, randomize all, which randomizes the settings of all of the panels, and the edit order button. Edit order allows you to change the order of the panels. Drag entire panels into any order you like. This can be important, since the transformation editor processes each region in the panel in sequence. To the right are View Original, View Transformed, and Refresh. Switch between viewing the region in its unaltered, original form, or transformed by the settings you specified in the various panels. Tap Refresh to update the score display with your latest changes.